Matt Day here with Parsons Grandma Day. I want to get off in the weeds for a second about grandparent visitation. We have a variety of reasons why these cases are so difficult. The statute in Oklahoma makes it difficult for grandparents to win. These tend to be very high conflict, high emotionality cases because the breakdown in the family unit is outside of the nuclear family, right? We've extended the breakdown into grandparents or sometimes even great-grandparents. These are extremely difficult cases, okay? But I want to focus on one of the big decisions that's within the realm of this, and that is Troxel versus Granville, which is a United States Supreme Court case. And it came out in the year 2000. Now, just as a note, prior to that, Oklahoma, through the Oklahoma Supreme Court, had In re Herbst, which set out that you had to have harm before you could get to best interest in grandparent visitation cases. So unfitness or harm to get to best interest. And I've discussed this on some other videos. Troxel versus Granville, as I said, is a U.S. Supreme Court case. And Troxel focused on a couple of different factors as to why you couldn't just have best interest. For instance, the Troxel court pointed out that the trial court seemed to put the pressure on mom, or at this case mom, but the parent, to show why the visitation was not in the child's best interest. The mother or the parent had offered visitation, okay? No showing that the parent was unfit. The trial court failed to consider that a fit parent is going to act in their child's best interest, right? So these are just some of the factors that the Troxel case laid out. Now, the Troxel case has since been used by Oklahoma appellate decisions in grandparent visitation cases. And one of the probably the biggest ones, I think, that's been adopted, that's not necessarily in the statute, is that a parent offers visitation, right? And so, like I said, some of these things are just so complicated, typically by the emotionality, but they're also so difficult because of the nature of the statute. A lot of what Oklahoma has pulled together slightly predated Troxel, but they've pulled some stuff from Troxel that makes grandparent visitation cases difficult, and you need an attorney to help you prosecute or defend those. For more information, visit our website, www.pdtulsalaw.com. The purpose of this video is to be informative and not to provide legal advice. For legal advice, call a law firm and speak to an attorney about your particular case. None of the information provided in here is meant to establish the attorney-client relationship between Parsons Grandma Day and anyone watching this video.